Hi guys, this is Uma Qureshi and this is my first Bean for Fame. So ask me anything you want to ask me and I'm here. Which is your best act? I think Gangs of Wasseypur was a really special performance. And I was really nervous because first film and everyone was supposed to be this acting genius in the film and I was like the youngest cast member, but I had so much fun working on that film. What's your favorite actor? My favorite actor? Like Indian or like from the West? I love Ryan Gosling.
Salman Khan or SRK?
That's a trick question and I'm never gonna answer that. क्योंकि बड़े-बड़े शहरों में मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनती हूँ. It's like, how can you pick? How can you pick?
Will you do a Bhojpuri film like scripted?
Yeah man, why not? हमका भोजपुरी फिल्म भी कर लेंगे मतलब whatever. I'm sure there's a really bad Bhojpuri thing. Which actor you want to work with? You know, I'm one of those superbly greedy people. I want to work with everybody and I'm just sort of, I'm still figuring it out. So I want to work with everyone. Are you doing any new movies? Yes, I'm doing, I'm just in fact shooting for Gurinder Chadda's next, which is a very exciting film. It's called Viceroy's House.
Who was your first crush?
My first crush, I was in school and I was really obviously young and stupid and he was in my class and he was a musician. So he used to play the bass guitar and that was my first crush. Nothing really happened. I was too shy. I will not tell you his name because he shouldn't be watching this.
What qualities would you look into a guy for your life partner?
For my life partner, one quality, the most important quality is he has to be tall. Has to be, I'm 5'7" and a half, he has to be थोड़ा जैसे सर उठा के देखना पड़ेगा ना. मतलब I don't want to look down at him. And he has to have a great sense of humor. He should be able to cook. He should be able to write poetry. He should be able to sing and just look like $1 million and love me insanely. So yeah.
Who is your favorite poet?
My favorite poet? Wow, Leonard Cohen, without a doubt. Beautiful poetry, beautiful voice, just amazing. And of course, Hindi mein to Faiz Ahmed Faiz, Gulzar Saab, I mean there's so many. I think जो उर्दू और हिंदी की पोइट्री शायरी जो होती है वो उसका अलग ही मजा होता है. But in English has to be Leonard Cohen.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food? Anything cooked well. I'm a big foodie, so anything that's like just made well with a lot of love and a lot of thought, I just love. But I have to tell you one thing. The one thing in the world that I cannot resist, no matter what diet I'm on, if it's in front of me, I have to take a bite. It's chaat. I love papad chaat. It's like I can just start thinking about it and start drooling.
We've heard about your mutton biryani, the one you take to set.
See what happens now, actually, I'll tell you, a lot of people ask me how come, me and my brother, we've sort of, come from Delhi and we don't have anybody in the industry who we know in terms of family or whatever. So how, we're doing, mashallah, we're doing very well and we're doing decent films and working with good people. So what is the reason behind it? So I'll tell them it's only because I feed my way through. So मैं mutton biryani और mutton rolls खिला के I get rolls.
Who's your inspiration in acting?
Who's my inspiration in acting? My mom. I'll tell you why. Because when we were growing up, so my mom was very strict with me. So every time I had to do some badmashi and I would break something or do something, she'd be like, Uma, have you done this? And I'd be like, no mama, not at all. And she would always, find out that I'm lying. So my thing used to always be I should tell a lie and not get caught. So she used to keep pushing me and inspiring me to become a better liar. So जिस दिन मैंने मम्मी को बुद्धू बना दिया मतलब उस दिन आज अच्छी एक्टिंग हो गई. जिस दिन पकड़े गए तो मतलब पिटाई भी लगेगी और एक्टिंग भी नहीं हो पाई. Thoughts on traveling. I think the two most important things in life that every person should do, which really helps them as a person and helps them grow, is reading and traveling. Very important. I think otherwise you don't really grow as a person. What shade is your lipstick? I don't know what shade this is. This is some sort of a red, no? Or is it pink? I'm partially colorblind. Like my pinks and my reds I mix up, and my greens and blue I mix up. Otherwise, all other colors I'm pretty good at. Like, see, this is black, this is blue, that's red. this thing. Somebody likes my nose. That's it first. You know, I get a lot of compliments about like my hair or my eyes or my smile, but nose is the first. Who said that? I want to know his name.
Irfan.
Irfan Bhatt. Irfan Bhatt. That's a very, very special compliment. I will remember this.
What do you think about the next session? Will you cook mutton biryani for us?
Next session, would I cook mutton biryani? Actually, that's a very good idea. But you know, I've become such a cliche. So I'll tell you a very interesting, heartbreaking story. So I threw a party at my house. You know, I was like, whenever I throw a party, I always make kebabs or biryani or whatever. So this time I want to do something interesting. So I made khao sway. I got like catering done and all that, and khao sway and dim sums and everything. And a lot of my friends, so I said, no, today I made khao sway and dim sums and blah blah blah. And they're like, no, we've come to your house. We want to eat biryani. So I was like, यार मेरा मन कर सकता है कि मैं अपने घर पे लोगों को बुला के कुछ ओरिएंटल, चाइनीज, जापानीज, थाई कुछ खिलाऊं कि मैं बिरयानी बनाती रहूंगी. Leave this no. Okay guys, that was great fun and I will continue to do this because as you now know that I can talk.